Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Snapchat and click on your logo in the upper left corner, then scroll down and see create a public profile. If you have this function, then click on it. If not, then go to the settings in the upper right corner. The first thing we need to check is your date of birth. I had such a problem that I could not specify the correct year of birth and the age was automatically set below 18, so I had to specify it myself again. Check it necessarily. Next, scroll down and find privacy controls. Here in the view my story items you need to select everyone. Great, after that we return to our profile and the function of creating a public profile should appear. If not, then write to Snapchat support. After that click it, read everything you need and continue. And that's it. As you can see, a public profile has been created and you can use the functions you need. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.